Hi viewers, welcome to NS Commerce Academy. In the previous video, we discussed about important short answers and essay type questions of environmental studies subject. In this video, we are going to discuss about the unit 2 important and short answer questions. I am Nursing Srinivas, faculty of commerce. I am requesting you kindly subscribe my channel, press on the bell button, give some likes. It will makes me a lot of encouragement. Okay, students, as you know, it's a 40 marks paper, and here also we are having the short answer questions and essay type questions, part A and part B. In part A, four questions will be given, and the student has to answer any two questions. Okay, so each question, short answer question carries 5 marks, as well as in the essay type question, 2 units are there. From each unit, two questions will be given, and the student has to answer from each unit one question compulsorily from the alternative questions. So essay type question marks are 15 marks per each question. Okay, come to the part short answer questions. Wildlife Protection Act. The Wildlife Protection Act 1972 is an important legislation enacted by the government of India to safeguard and preserve wildlife, including animals, birds, plants, and their habitats. It aims to ensure the protection of wildlife species and the conservation of their natural habitats. This act plays a crucial role in preserving biodiversity in India and is considered one of the most comprehensive legal framework for wildlife protection in the country. Okay. Second question: global warming. Global warming refers to the long-term increase in Earth average surface temperature due to human activities, primarily the release of greenhouse gases that are GHCs. Okay, these gases trap heat in the atmosphere, leading to gradual rise in the global temperatures. It is a major driver of climate change, causing a shift in weather patterns, rising sea levels, and disruptions to ecosystem worldwide. Third question is write about the ozone layer. Ozone layer depletion refers to the thinning of and degradation of the ozone layer in the Earth's stratosphere, which plays a crucial role in protecting life on Earth from harmful ultraviolet UV radiation from the sun. The ozone layer acts as a natural shield, absorbing and blocking the most of the sun's dangerous UVB ratios, which can cause skin cancers, cataracts, and other health problems in humans, as well as damage to the marine ecosystem and crops. The ozone layer and its importance. The ozone layer is a region of the Earth's stratosphere that contains a relatively high concentration of ozones, O3 molecules. It is located about 10 to 30 miles, 15 to 50 kilometers above the Earth's surface, and it plays a essential role in protecting the life on Earth by filtering out sun's harmful ultraviolet radiations, particularly UVB and UVC rays. These rays can cause severe harm to both environment and living organisms such as. Okay, next fourth question. List out the preventive measures of air pollution. Preventive measures of air pollution. Air pollution is one of the most significant environmental challenge with a detrimental effect on human health, ecosystems, and the climate. To combat air pollution, it is essential to take preventive measures at both individual and systematic levels. Below is a comprehensive list of preventing measures that can help reduce air pollution, that are reduction of vehicular emissions, regulation of industrial emissions, use of renewable energy resources, waste management and recycling, afforestation and green spaces, emergency and energy conservation and efficiency, control of agriculture practices, government regulations and public awareness, international cooperation, monitoring and research. Fifth question: state the different types of pollution control equipments. Air pollution control equipment is designed to reduce the or eliminate pollutants from the industrial exhaust gases and other sources before they are released into the atmosphere. These devices and technologies help to control and minimize the harmful effect of air pollutants on health and the environment. Below are the different types of air pollution controls. First one, electrostatic precipitators (ESPs) and scrubbers. Next, bag of filters. Next, cyclone separators. Next, carbon adhesives, activated carbons. Next, Venturi scrubbers. Next, catalytic converters, the thermal oxides, fluidized bed combustion system. 10th, selective catalytic reduction. Next, 11th, low NYX burners. Next, biofilters, ozone generators, and direct transfer system. Okay. Next, what are the harmful effects due to the presence of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere? Greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and fluorinated gases traps heat in the Earth's atmosphere, leading to a phenomenon known as the greenhouse effect. While this natural process is essential for maintaining Earth's temperature, an excess of these gases due to harmful activities is causing global warming and climate changes. Here are the harmful effects. First one, global warming and climate change. Second one, ocean acidification. Third one, effect on agriculture and food security. Fourth one, health risks. Fifth one, ecosystem disruption and biodiversity loss. Sixth one, extreme of weather events. Seventh one, economic impact. Conclusion: the process of excessive greenhouse gases in the atmosphere is leading to severe environmental, economic, and social impacts. These gases contribute to global warming, ocean acidification, and ecosystem disruption, which in turn affect human health, food security, and biodiversity. Mitigating these effects requires urgent action to reduce emissions, transitions to clean energy resources, and adapt to the change in the climate. Next, mention the types of disasters. Natural calamities or catastrophic events that occur due to natural process of earth. These events can lead to significant damage, loss of life, and disruption of ecosystem and human activities. Here are the main types of natural calamities that are earthquakes, tsunamis, volcanic eruptions, floods, hurricanes, typhoons, and cyclones, droughts, landslides and mudslides, wildfires, tornadoes, avalanches, heat waves, blizzards. So natural calamities are diverse and their effect can be diverse, devastating to both the environmental and human population. The key causes of often involve atmospheric or geographical process such as shifting to tectonic plates, severe weather patterns, or temperature changes. Understanding these natural disasters help preparing for and mitigating their impact. Next, what is a greenhouse effect? The greenhouse effect refers to the process by which certain gases in Earth's atmosphere trap health, warming the planet and making it habitable. This natural phenomenon is essential for life on Earth as it maintains the planet average temperature at the level that allows for the presence of liquid water and supports the ecosystem. However, human activities, particularly burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gases, deforestation, and industrial processes, have enhanced the greenhouse effect, leading to global warming and climate change. Next, discuss the causes of earthquakes and floods. Causes of earthquakes. Earthquakes occurs when there is a sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust, causing the ground to shake. The primary cause of earthquake is tectonic activity, but there are also other natural and human-induced causes. Tectonic plates movements are main cause. Next, volcanic activity and human-induced causes. Causes of floods. Floods occur when the water exceeds its normal level and inundates areas that are usually dry. Flooding can be caused by natural events or human activities that disturb the normal flow of water. Below are the main causes: heavy rainfall, snowmelt, tropical cyclones, hurricanes and typhoons, dam and levee failures, deforestation and land use changes, coastal flooding, and poor drainage system. Earthquakes are primarily caused by the movement of tectonic plates, volcanic activities, and some human-induced activities like mitigating hydraulic fracturing. This most common cause is the movement of the tectonic plates at fault line where they collude, separate, or slide past each other. Okay. Next, floods can be range of factors including heavy rainfall, snowmelt, hurricanes, storms, dam failures, deforestation, urbanization, and poor drainage systems. Floods can be occur rapidly over an extended period. Both earthquakes and floods are unpredictable, but understanding their cause helps the preparing for mitigating their impact through the better construction practices, urban planning, early warning system, and environmental conservation efforts. So, what is disaster management? Explain various stages of disaster. Disaster management refers to the process, planning, organizing, and coordinating efforts to prevent, mitigate, prepare for, respond to, and recover from natural and human-made disasters. The goal of disaster management is to reduce the impact of disasters on communities, protect lives and protect properly and facilitate swift recovery and after disaster occurs. Disaster management involves a combination of preparedness, response, and recovery with a focus on minimizing disaster risks, ensuring effective coordination during crisis, and building resilience in affected communities. Okay, stages of disaster management: mitigation, preparedness, responsibility, and recovery. Next, come to the essay type question. First question: what is air pollution? Explain causes and effects of air pollution. Air pollution refers to the presence of harmful substances in the air that can have negative effect on human health, the environment, and the climate. These harmful substances can be solid particles, liquid droplets, or gases. Air pollution occurs when these pollutants exceed the safe levels, affecting the air quality and causing widespread damage to ecosystem and harm human well-being. Air, air pollution can be classified into Two types: outdoor air pollution and indoor air pollution. Outdoor air pollution that occurs outside the buildings, such as in cities, industrial areas, and on roads. Indoor air pollution inside buildings caused by factors like smoke from cooking, heating, and the use of chemicals in homes and workplaces. Cause of air pollution. The sources of air pollution are varied, but they generally fall into two categories: natural and human-made causes. Human-made causes. These are the primary drivers of modern air pollution and are largely related to industrialization, urbanization, and increased use of fossil fuels, vehicle emission, industrial emissions, burning of fossil fuels, agriculture, wa- waste disposal, defense and land usage changes. Next, natural causes. Natural causes contribute to air pollution through they are generally less significant than human-made sources. Wildfires, volcanic eruption, dust and pollen, sea spray. Effects of air pollution. The effects of air pollution can be for reaching, impacting human health, the environment and the climate. Human effect. Air pollution is responsible for a wide range of health problems from minor irritations to serious chronic diseases. Some of the major health effects including respiratory diseases, cardiovascular problems, premature deaths, cancer, impact on children. Environmental effect. Air pollution can have significant negative effect to ecosystem, including plants, animals, and bodies of water, acid rains, global warming, ozone depletion, uh, eutrophication, economic effect. Air pollution causes also has significant economic system costs, including healthcare costs, agriculture losses, and damage to infrastructure. Next, write about the role of information technology in environment and human health. Role of information technology in environment and human health. Information technology has become a cornerstone of modern society, influencing nearly every aspect of our daily lives. In the field of environmental conservation and human health, IT plays a transformative role by providing tools for monitoring, analyzing, communication, and management. From tracking pollutants levels to managing healthcare data, IT contributes significantly to both environmental protection and the improvement of human health outcomes. Role of information technology in the environment. It has a wide range of applications in environmental protection, sustaining and natural resources management. Here, how environmental manager monitoring and data collection, remote sensory sensing and satellite technology, sensor networks, climate change modeling and prediction, supercomputers and climate models, geographical information system, resource management and conservation. IT helps in more efficient management of natural resources like water, energy, and land, contributing to the sustainability and conservation. Smart grid and energy management, water management system, and waste management system. Technology is used to track waste generations, disposals, and recycling efforts, promoting sustainable waste management practices, waste tracking system, recycling technologies, environmental awareness, and public engagement. It plays a key role in raising awareness about the environmental issues and encouraging sustainable practices. Social media, online campus, mobile applications. Next, role of information technology in human health, health information system, big data and predictive analytics, health education and awareness, public health management, improved diagnostic and treatment. Next, to write about briefly about the disaster management. Disaster management refers to the coordinated efforts to prepare for, respond to, and to recover from disaster, both natural and man-made, in order to minimize their impact on human life, property, and environment. It involves a systematic approach to managing the challenges posed by disasters, focusing and reducing the risk before they occur, efficiently responding during a crisis, and rebuilding after the event. Key components of disaster management is mitigation, preparedness, response, and recovery. Disaster management cycle. The disaster management cycle process is cyclical. After recovery, lessons learned from the disaster can be applied to improve mitigation strategies and preparedness for future events, creating a continuous cycle of improvement. Importance of disaster management. Life and property, environmental protection, resilience building, economic stability. What is water pollution? Explain causes of water and control of measures of water pollution. Water pollution refers to the containment of water bodies such as rivers, lakes, oceans, and groundwater by harmful pollutants that degrades water quality and makes it unsafe for human, animals, and plant life. Pollutants can be come from a variety of sources and they can be both biological such as bacteria and viruses, chemicals such as pesticides and heavy metals, or physical like suspended solids or plastic. Water pollutants not only affect aquatic ecosystem but also possesses significant risk to human health, agriculture, and the environment. Causes of water pollution. Water pollution can be caused by variety of factors, both natural and human-made. The major sources of water pollution includes industrial discharges, agricultural runoff, wastewater and sewage, oil spills, plastic pollutants, mining activities, urbanization, and stormwater runoff, natural causes. Effects of water pollution. Water pollution has far-reaching effects on ecosystem, human health, and the economy. Health risk, impact on aquatic life, economic consequences, environmental degradation. Controlling measures. To address the water pollution, several control measures can be implemented at the individual community and governmental levels. Wastewater treatment, regulation and legislation, sustainable agricultural practices, public awareness and education, reducing plastic and use promotion, promoting recycling, restoration of polluted water bodies, green infrastructure. Next, what are the major causes of sound pollution? Sound pollution or noise pollution refers to the presence of harmful disasters, disturbing levels of sound in the environment, which can negatively affect on human health, wildlife, and the quality of life. It is primarily caused by both human activities and natural resources. The major causes of sound pollution is transportation, road traffic, rail traffic, air traffic, marine traffic. Industrial activities, factories, manufacturing plants, and construction sites are major contributions to the noise pollution. The machinery and equipments used in these industries produce consistent high decibel levels. Construction work, industrial machinery, household sources. In residential areas, noise pollution can result from every activity, and these uses domestic applications, loud music and parties, appliances and equipments, agriculture activities. While often overlooked agricultural activities can also contribute to sound pollution, especially in rural areas. Farm equipment, livestock. Next, entertainment and social events. Public events and entertainment activities often produce exhaustive sounds, leading to noise pollution, particularly in urban and density populated areas. Music concerts and events, sports events. Next, social and recreational activities. Certain social and recreational activities can contribute to sound pollution in public spaces. Street traffic noise in urban areas, the combination of pedestrian, street vendors, and construction and honking vehicles can cause results in a continuous cacophony of sound. Recreational vehicles. Next, natural resources. While human activities are the primary contributors to sound pollution, natural resources can also cause disturbances, though these are typically less significant. Thunder and storms, wildlife calls. Control of measures. To address the reduced sound pollution, a combination of technologies, solutions, and regulations and behavioral changes can be implemented. Urban planning, noise barriers, soundproofing, strict regulations, technological solutions. Next, these are the very important questions and answers from unit number 2. With this, I am concluding. Okay, thank you and one and all. Thank you friends.